And now, let's check in with the weather. How's it looking out there? Well, Jane, we're expecting snow. Oh, like a cute little snowman? More like the whole city will disappear. Ha ha, wait, what? If it continues like this, the city may be closed for 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 days? Weeks. Yeah, you heard me. 2 to 3 weeks. Should we run the panic graphic? Run it, and maybe the bread and milk alert twice. And they should cancel February. Yes. Oh, okay. Well, everyone stay warm, or maybe hibernate. See you in March.